guys, welcome to our channel once again. Real Nice and Molly here, your host. Today we're going to be doing a quick oats recipe, and for that we have some 2% milk, some essence, cinnamon sticks, cloves and nutmeg. We also have some sugar there, and we have of course our quick oats, which we have soaked. We have soaked some of the oats for about a half an hour, and that's what it's in the bowl there. And we have two kinds of milk. We have 2% and evaporated milk. You can use either of those or a combination of both if you like. Back in the days they used to use cow milk only, so it's your choice. So that's all the ingredients we need, guys, so let's get started. Okay guys, so we have heated some water here, and we're gonna add our soaked oats to this now. So the next thing we're gonna do here, guys, we're gonna add our ingredients. So that's the clove and the cinnamon sticks. Now you're gonna add your essence. Give that a stir. This is very simple and satisfying, guys. This one here is just like the sago porridge, similar. Both very popular in Guyana. A lot of us had this a lot when we were growing up. So now we're gonna add our milk. So once you have soaked this beforehand, guys, and you've add your Quaker oats to the water, you just need about this to boil for about 5 minutes. And as I said, you add everything. So we're gonna add the sugar and grated nutmeg very soon when it's almost done. So those are the only two things that are left to be added here. So this is done for us now, guys. It's about 5 minutes since we've added everything and we boil it. So the last two things we're going to add now is the sugar and the grated nutmeg. So that's it for your quick oats porridge, guys. If you like this recipe, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe also. Click the bell icon so you get notifications from us. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.